Very good morning and welcome back. Very warmly welcome to all of you again. So from the today we are going to start our grammatical concept. So in grammar we are going to start from tenses. Most important concept of grammar, tense. We'll talk about tenses. Okay. So tense, from where this word has been taken. This word has been taken from Latin language. There is a word in Latin language, tempus. Tempus. Tempus refers to time. So it means tense refers to time for an action. Okay. Means change in verb, change in action is called tense. Okay. So tense is duration of work and action. Okay. Tense. What is tense? Tense is duration. Okay. Duration of work and action. Duration means the time limit. Time. Okay. Duration of work and action. Okay. Definition number one. Definition number two, tense refers to time for an action. Okay. Definition number three, putting a sentence into a time frame. Putting a sentence into a time frame, also known as tense. Okay. Then tense shows a relation between time and action. Okay. And the last definition, very easy one, different forms of the verb. Different forms of the verb is also called tense. Okay. So tense refers to time for an action. Okay. So if we talk about the phases of tense, okay, there are three phases. There are three tense in English: present, past, and future. There are three phases of tense in English. Present, the time is going on. Okay, the time is going on means the time that is now. The time is going on. The time that is now means actions. Okay, actions are running. Okay, actions that are happening now. Okay, called present tense. Then if we talk about past tense, the time is past. Okay, the time has passed. Okay, action that already took place. Okay, then if we talk about future, the time is yet to come. Okay, means actions that are going to take place. Okay, actions that are going to take place. So we have seen three phases of tense: present, past, and future. Okay, present means the time is now. Okay, means actions that are going on, actions that are happening. Okay, number two, past, the time is past. Okay, the time has passed. Okay, so actions that already took place, actions that took place. Okay, then if we talk about future, so the time is yet to come. Okay, means actions that are going to take place. Okay, it was about three phases of time, three phases of tenses. If I start a sentence, number one, he eats an apple. He eats an apple. Okay, here just point out eats. Number two, he ate an apple. Okay, point out ate. Okay, he will eat an apple. So in these three sentence, okay, he eats an apple, he ate an apple, he will eat an apple. In all these three sentences, subject and objects are common. But what about action? Okay, action is different. So that's why we can say that different form of the verb is also called tenses. Different form of the verb is also called tenses. Okay, because in this sentence we have seen that sentence number first, he eats an apple. Here eats means v1 plus suffix ses. So he eats an apple. Okay, it is present. Number two, he ate an apple. Here ate means V2. V2 form of action. So it is past. Okay. Then he will eat an apple. So here will plus V1. Okay. Is called future. Okay. So what is the difference in sentences? Subject and objects are same. But what is not similar? So not similar means action, your actions. Okay. In first sentence, you have V1 plus suffix. In second sentence, you have V2 in action. In third sentence, you apply will plus V1. Okay. So these difference, okay, different form of the verb. Okay, you have seen different form of the verb in all three sentences. A different form of the verb is also called tenses. Okay. So now it's time to see classification. Okay, we'll see classification of tenses. So in classification of tenses, there are three tense. We have know that present, the time is going on. Okay, means the time is now. Number two, past. Okay, the time passed, the time has passed. Okay, and number three, future, the time is yet to come. Means the actions, okay, that are going on. Oh, sorry, the actions that are going to take place. Okay, so we have three classification: present, past and future. And if we talk about forms of tenses, means types, so there are four forms. Okay, there are four forms. Indefinite, number one, indefinite. Okay, indefinite means not definite or uncertain. Number two, continuous. Continuous means progressive, going on. Okay, number three, perfect. Okay, number three, perfect means perfection. Okay, and number four, perfect continuous. So here perfect continuous means the time, means the action is already started in past. Okay, and completed. Okay, up to talking completed, but is still going on. Okay, so it is about forms. We have seen four forms. There are four forms of three tenses. There are four forms of three classification. Okay, indefinite, continuous, perfect or perfect continuous. Okay, so indefinite shows uncertainty or not definite. Okay, not definitely. Continuous shows going on. Okay, means running. Okay, perfect shows the work has done. Okay, and perfect continuous shows the work has done. The work amount of, some amount of work has been done, but the work is still running. Okay, means amount of work, some amount of work already already done, but the work is still going on or running. So it is about four form. Okay, four form of three tenses. Okay, so we have seen three classification: present, past and future. And if we talk about the forms, there are four forms. Okay, indefinite, continuous or progressive, perfect or perfect continuous. Okay, so if suppose we attach, okay, if we attach present to its four form, so what will be? Okay, what will be in present? So number one, present simple or present indefinite. Number two, present continuous. Number three, present perfect. Number four, present perfect continuous. Okay, present simple or present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. If we talk about past, so simple past or past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay, if we talk about future, so simple future and future number one, simple future or future indefinite. Okay, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So it is about four category. Okay, and four forms of tenses. Okay, according to their classifications. Okay, so then we will see about from where we start from present tense. Okay, so we'll see present tense, what will happen in present tense, what is present tense. So present means, number one, we connect present with its classification, with its form. So it will be simple present or present continuous. Okay, so simple present, we'll talk about simple present or present continuous. So from the tomorrow's video, we'll start learning tense. Today we learn about the tense. Okay, today we have seen definition of tense or its form and classification. Okay, so from the tomorrow we'll see present, all four types of present. Okay, then all four types of past, then all four types of future. Okay, we will see from tomorrow, and you should learn everything. Okay, whatever you have seen in today's video.